May we have 31, and June we have 30. If we add those, we get a total of 181 days. And so we're going to divide 181 into 27,813, and we will get 153.7, and we will round that to 154. The average daily census for the entire year, we're going to use the same formula, but since we're using the entire year, we know that our days will be 365. We also have to figure out what the total inpatient service days are for the entire year, so what we're going to need to do is add 27,813 to the 35,873, and use 365 as our total number of days in the period. We will get 174.5, which rounds to 175. If the same hospital provided 7,890 newborn service days in its 30 bassinet nursery during the year, we need to calculate the daily newborn census. In order to do newborn inpatient service days for the period, over the total number of days in the period. So we will plug in the numbers 7,890, and this is asking us about the entire year. So there are 365 days in a year, and we will get 21.6 or 22. The same hospital surgery unit has 45 beds. During July, the unit provided 2,002 days of service. What was the average daily census for a surgery unit in July? In order to calculate this, divide 2,002 days of service by the number of days in July, which is 31. And that equals 64.6 or 65. Okay, we're going to use the statistics from the table below, and we're going to calculate the monthly report for the nursing administration of the community hospital. We're going to look at the current month's June. What we need to do is use our formula, which is total inpatient service days for the period over the days in the period. So total inpatient service days here is 520. Days in the period for June, there are 30 days in June. We divide by 30, and we get 17.3, as you can see. And that rounds to 17. Same thing with this one. We're going to use the inpatient service days of 87. The days in the period equal 30, and we get 2.9, which rounds to 3. And this is this includes all of the answers and the calculations for this table.